Hello. Today I am recording from the terrace of a co working space with my dog next to me. And while working from here, I started thinking about something. What if AI is making strategy more important, not less? Because right now, everyone is focused on what AI can do: write content, create image, build landing pages, analyze data, automate tasks, and it is impressive. But I think the real story is not about AI. It is about what becomes useful when everyone has access to the same tools. The question is not, can AI create content? Because the answer is clearly yes. The real question is, can AI create the right message for the right audience at the right moment? And that is a very different challenge. Because AI is making execution easier. Today, almost anyone can create posts, ads, images, emails, videos. The barrier is getting lower every day, and that changed the game. Because if everyone has access to the same tools, execution is no longer the advantage. Strategy became the advantage. And this is where human judgment matters. AI is very good at working with existing information, but marketing is not always that simple. So market change, priorities shift, new competitors appear, customer behavior evolves, and sometimes the data is not clear. That is where experience matters, because data gives signals and humans give meaning. But I think the best marketers do not start with content. They start with the audience, their goal, the frustration, the motivation, their challenge. Because if you deeply understand people, AI becomes an incredible accelerator. And if you do not, it simply helps you create more noise. And this connects with something I recently found in the EAR 2026 trend report. One of the key predictions is simple: people want to feed something again. And I think that says a lot about where marketing is going. We're surrounded by automation, algorithms, generated experience, endless information, and maybe that is creating a different kind of challenge. Technology helps us move faster, but faster is not always better. Every day we consume more information than ever before, and maybe that is why critical thinking matters more than ever, because when answers are easy to find, the real challenge is knowing what to do with them. And maybe that is also why human experience matters more: real conversation, real story, real perspective, because people remember feelings more than content. So maybe the future of marketing is not about choosing between humans and AI. Maybe it's about understanding the role of each. So the real opportunity is not creating more content, it is creating better ideas. Let technology help us move faster, and let humans focus on understanding people, because that is still one of the most valuable skills in marketing. So now I'm curious, what do you think will matter most in the future? Better technology or better human thinking? Thank you for being here, and see you in the next content.